Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a bear market with Stash, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Stash app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Invest tab on the bottom menu. Review your current portfolio to assess your holdings. Identify any investments that have significantly declined in value. Consider reallocating funds to more stable assets. Research new investment opportunities within the app. Utilize Stash's educational resources for market insights. Explore options for dollar-cost averaging strategies. Set up automatic investments to take advantage of market fluctuations. Use the Retirement tab to assess your long-term goals. Adjust your risk tolerance settings if necessary. Track your progress using Stash's performance analytics. Stay informed about market trends through Stash's news updates. Engage with the community for support and additional advice. Make informed decisions based on your individual financial situation. Continue to review and adjust your portfolio as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.